Traffic ad bar email marketing. The traffic ad bar experience is a powerful way to build a friendly email list. The first thing you have to do is to have an attractive lead capture page so people can opt into your opportunity. The second thing you have to do is to teach your list to duplicate the same you are doing. Remember, success comes from duplication. In the next few minutes, Willie Desjarnet will show how to start that duplication process in this video training.
Before you get too deep into the video, I got another special gift that I would like to share with you. How would you like to have access to a software that actually gets you leads through Facebook without having to pay for ads, guys? So what you need to do to find out about this particular software, I have a link below this video. Go ahead, go in and register, and there is a 10 to 15 minute presentation that actually show you what this software does, and you could be getting leads in the next 5 minutes. Go ahead and take a look at this software. You'll be blown away. Extraordinary software. Can't find it nowhere else on the internet. I'll see you on the other side.
What's up, my friends? Today we're going to talk about the traffic ad bar email marketing. Now, I've been with traffic ad bar for some time, not that long, but some time, and I actually started, really implementing some of the traffic ad bar methods probably 4 months ago to really start to get anything out of it. So let's just talk about this. The traffic ad bar system has a lot of people there trying to advertise. And what you have to do is you have to be creative to actually get some traction with this traffic ad bar system. For the longest, I wasn't getting anything from it until I thought about, hey, why won't I teach on what you can do to get some kind of benefit from it? So today I want to go through what I do to try to get emails from traffic ad bar. So let's just go to the system right now. And what we're going to do is right now, if you're taking a look at this video, I guess over the weekend, you're getting double points. So let's just look at it. Let's just take a look at a few scenarios, and we're just going to look at it, and I'm going to get some points while we're doing here. Check it out. Look what's going on. Instant traffic secret. No advertisement talking about traffic ad bar, something you can do to train people with. Okay, look here. Let's go. It's always, I'm just trying to let you guys see, they're always promoting other products instead of something within the traffic ad bar system that you can benefit from. So let's just take a look at this one. Let's just take a look at another one as it flows through. They're all other products that you can sell, and that's fine, So, but we're just going through here. I do not see an ad that talks about traffic ad bar or what you can do to make your traffic ad bar business well. You see what I'm saying? Look at this. Take a look at this. Let's go on. We're just looking at some things. Do we see anything that talks about traffic ad bar? Look at it. Do we see anything that's talking about it? So we went through a few of them. About 7 of them? Look at her. Look at her. So, I had someone message me on my channel to say they don't want to use this to get emails. Well, let me show you this. Let's go inside the back office of Lead Leaps. Lead Leaps right here. We're going to go ahead and look at my list manager and show you can get leads with traffic ad bar. Let's go down here where I do have a list where I had some going. I think it's right here. That's one thing about the Lead Leap. It lets you know what's going on. You see that right there? Traffic ad bar, traffic ad bar, traffic ad bar. Those leads came from traffic ad bar. Let me show you the lead capture page that I had. This was the lead capture page that I have for the traffic ad bar system. Now, it didn't specifically talk about the traffic ad bar system, but it was an attractive lead capture page and someone opted in. So let me explain this to you guys when we get involved with the traffic ad bar system. So I'm going to get away from that, and what we're going to do, you see this right here, I'm going to enlarge it so you can see this. And I want people to understand what we're competing against. Guys, you are competing with a lot of people. Look at all these people you're competing with. But let me tell you something. There are some available slots. Excuse my French. It's some spots you can get in there. You can go up in this traffic ad bar system. There's spots, look here, there's spots up here. When you get up to the 13, 12, and 13, you're actually getting traffic, and then you can get leads to your system. So, and I will have this link below. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Now, let me show you what I done, and I'm going to show it to you really quick. Not going to do a lot of cutting out. We're just going to show it to you. Plain old Jane. Now, let's go into the system. What I decided to do is I decided to try to help people who was not being successful with traffic ad bar and advertise within the traffic ad bar system. And before we go there, let me show you this. I'm just going to show you this really quick. Let's get back to the traffic ad bar, and I'm going to show you. Now, let's just click on one of these, and I want you to look at it. You see, like right here, she's up there, but there's no referrals. There's no referrals here. There's a few referrals. That's not a lot of referrals. And then the referrals is not, I'm not making them money. There's no referrals here. So some of these people are not actually promoting within the system. They're not trying to gain traction within the system. So you come in, look at no referrals, look at a 0, 0, 0. And don't get me wrong, some people can serve and you can get points. There are methods you can get points. Well, why not introduce people to the system? And I'm gonna show you this. Let's just do this. Let's go to number one. Let's go to the number one. So that person has got a lot of points. I don't know what he's doing to get those points. So he's getting his message out, but he at least got referrals. Now look at this guy here. This guy, Bill Carr. He has points wise, he has 3,879,499 for referrals, and he gets a total of it. So you're counting the referral points. Look way up in there. He's way up on the tree. So this is something that you don't need to miss out on. You don't need to miss out on having referrals. So I designed a system where you can come in and get referrals. So let me show you what I done. Let's go ahead and start out of what I done. This is the first page that I inherited this page, and I modified it to fit the traffic ad bar. Now it's once said something else, but I changed it. I changed the consumer warning. How would you like to triple your traffic ad bar traffic? That's pretty nice. I like that. But what I done today, and I haven't even tested the ad, I done this today to show you guys. You want this advertisement be dead in front of people. So I changed it up. I went to another system. Look at this. It track you all these leads. I said traffic ad bar system help you generate 5 to 10 leads daily with safe list. And within this safe list system, you are actually advertising that to the traffic ad bar system, and then you're attracting leads from that system, and then you can take those leads and build your business. So what you have to do within the traffic ad bar system, you have to be innovative, and you have to do what you call A and B testing. See, I do have another link. So that was number 3. Look at number 2. I did come up with another link, and then I'm gonna show you. These are the same things. Look at it. They're 2 of the same thing, but I didn't see this being attractive enough. So you can come in and read that as you scrolling, and you may not see traffic ad bar. So I put traffic ad bars first. So I decided to put that first, so that can be the first thing. So what you get is when you're back to traffic ad bar and you go to surfing, let's just click now for go ahead and surf. And when you start surfing and you click that banner, or you click that little, and you see something say traffic ad bar, you have a better chance to actually get them to opt in, because when you look at that list, a lot of people are not getting leads there, and you get most of your leads when you go up the chains. So why not help someone else too? And also, if you come in from this link that I have below, I will have this link right here below. You get this. If you follow this system, you get this same I'll give you the share code of this same system right here, and you can market it yourself, or you can edit it to your taste. You can come in and change this up. You can walk right in the background and edit it. And then you can come into my Facebook group, and I will teach you how to edit these templates. So this is something that you really need to do if you want to be successful in the traffic ad bar system. You got to advertise within the system if you want to get leads. And you always have to advertise, and traffic ad bar is getting leads all the time. That is the way you make your money. You know, the saying is, altogether, the money is in the list. It is the same thing here in the traffic ad bar system. Guys, check out the link below. Come in, opt in, and let's go into the Facebook group so I can help you out. Guys, take care. Be blessed.